Alright, good morning po. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Wow, it's me again, si Kiko Javier po. So, I'm actually creating this video. First of all, I'd like to congratulate everybody. It's September 27. And by the way, this is exclusive for SWA members. So, please do not share it outside. This is actually a family talk. Okay, so para sa atin lang po ito. And because this is so important to me, itong sasabihin ko po sa inyo. Okay, so actually, from September 1 to September 27, we have grown again, actually, nasa almost 6,300 na po tayo to date. And so just like what happened last month, pero mas mukhang malalampasan pa natin because it's only the 27th and we're growing probably 200 members per day, So, and because of that, kaya po ako gumawa ng video because I would like to redirect concerns, I would like to fix some things na kailangan nating maayos today. Alright, and this is all about follow-ups. This is all about concerns na nire-raise po natin sa amin. Alright, to let you know, I have freely exposed my cell phone number sa Facebook for everybody to see and everybody to contact me because that is my heart. I'm not hiding anything. You can actually call me, you can actually text me, and that's my heart, which is to help as much people as I can. But because of this massive expansion, ito po yung nangyayari. So I have to be honest with you, hindi ko na po kayang harapin lahat. And being the father of this program, I am feeling guilty about this pag hindi ko po kayo nasasagot. So it's like a child asking a father something, Dahil sila lalapit yung anak ko, then I don't answer, because I'm busy. Sabihin ko, anak, mamaya ka na, busy pa. Or pila mo yan. So I look everybody else as children, because so what happened is I fathered this program and all of you are basically children of this program. So we are about 30,000 members already, So everybody who comes to me, hindi ko kayang tiisin na hindi asikasuhin, bilang isang ama nitong programa, And my Facebook inbox is so flooded, both my two accounts, and for the past few weeks hindi ko na ma-open yung second account ko because sa first account pa lang hindi ko maubos, So I was thinking the same 24 hours given to you is the same 24 hours given to me. The same 10 minutes, 20 minutes na probably this video will run is exactly the same 10 minutes, 20 minutes that you have, So meaning, I can only do so much. Alright, and I also have my cell phone. Ang dami po nagte-text. Of course, may iba tumatawag. As much as I would love to, I also have the exact same amount of time that you have, And having about 30,000 children, it seems I'm spreading myself so thinly to the point of a dissatisfaction. So I have to apologize to some of the members na hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa nare-replyan, So I know I have a lot do sa second account ko, and even in my first account I usually reply after 2 to 3 days, So I hope you understand. Well, iba pa ho yung text, iba pa ho yung tawag, So what's happening here is bukod sa text sa akin, gagawa ng support ticket at magme-message sa Facebook ko. Alright? Ending, triple po yung trabaho namin. Alright? Because once na ma-text sa akin, then somebody else, we have admins actually, we have increased the number of admins. So sila naman, chine-check din nila yung concern. Okay, then pag-check ko sa Facebook, meron din doon. So in one case, about 3 to 4 times pong tinatrabaho yan. Ito pa, itong member i-report kay upline, at si upline i-report kay upline, at si upline i-report kay upline. So about 3 uplines reporting the same issue to us 3 to 4 times in different locations, Facebook, tickets, cell phone, no? So I hope you understand, it has multiplied the effect, making us slower and slower and slower than ever, no? Okay, so I'd like to be inspired, no? So this is not a hopeless case. Alright, that's why I'm making this video. This is not a hopeless case. May solution po rito, and the solution will also come, of course, from God, no? Which is I am a firm believer that this program is from Him. So the solution must come from Him, no? So meron lang po akong babasahin sa inyo para ma-encourage kayo, no? This is exactly the same, no? Isa sa mga dinaanan po ni Moses. I'm sure alam niyo po si Moses, no? If you're a Christian, if you're a Catholic, or you know about God, I'm sure narinig mo na who's Moses. Ito po yan, babasahin ko po sa inyo sa Exodus 18 verse 13 to about verse 27. Sinasabi po rito, the next day Moses took his place to judge the people, no? So yun ang trabaho niya as the founder of this movement. People were standing before him all day long, from morning to night. So ganyan po ang nangyayari, no? Mula umaga darating yung mga tao na yon hanggang gabi na sila doon, no? When Moses' father-in-law saw all that he has doing for the people, he said, what's going on here? So merong pinadala, no? May sugo, no? Father-in-law, may pinadala ang Diyos. Why are you doing all this all by yourself, letting everybody line up before you from morning to night? Okay, so wala pong kinaibahan yan na we have tickets, no, na 2 days, 3 days, hindi pa nasasagot, 5 days. So antay ng antay yung mga tao. Moses said to his father-in-law, because the people come to me with questions about God. When something comes up, they come to me. I judge between a man and his neighbor and teach them God's law and instruction. So sabi ni Moses, because I'm in charge, no? So they come to me. I have to tell them what to do. Moses' father-in-law said, this is no way to go about it. Alright? A father-in-law is somebody older and has greater wisdom. And believe me, people older than us with greater wisdom are being used by God to deliver a message. So yun po ang role ng father-in-law niya. This is no way to go about it. You'll burn out. And the people right along with you. So sabi, ikaw ay mababurn out, kasama lahat ng tao yan. So I firmly believe that you are experiencing it. No, we are burned out. No, pati sa CR po, habang nakaupo kami, we're working para lang masupplyan kayo. But again, it's burning out. At the same time, you are burned out from waiting and waiting. Bakit ganon hanggang ngayon walang action? Because sa dami po, no? Now listen to me. Let me tell you how to do this so that God will be in this with you. Again, meron po instruction. Be there for the people before God, but let the matters of concerns be presented to God. Your job is to teach them the rules and instructions, to show them how to live, what to do, and then you need to keep a sharp eye out for competent men who fear God, men of integrity, men who are incorruptible, and appoint them as leaders over groups organized by the thousands, by the hundreds, by 50, and by 10. They'll be responsible for the everyday work of judging among the people. They will bring the hard cases to you, but in the routine cases, they'll be the judges. They will share your load that will make it easier for you. If you handle the work this way, you'll have the strength to carry out whatever God commands you, and the people in their settings will flourish as well. Alright, Moses listened to the counsel of his father-in-law and did everything he said. Moses picked competent men from all of Israel and set them as leaders over the people who were organized by the thousands, by the hundreds, by 50, and by 10. They took over the everyday work of judging among the people. They brought the hard cases to Moses. Guys, I hope I'm making a point here. This is not a Bible study, but this is something I believe in. So I am sorry, as the head, as the father of this program, I consult the Bible in everything that I do. And I am so confident and I am so in faith that I am doing what is right based on the results that we are experiencing now. Alright, so ganun po ang mangyayari ngayon. From this day onwards, I will only be handling leaders who will handle leaders who will handle leaders who will handle leaders, pababa ng pababa, no? So I have, sayang, I really would like to talk to, chat, text everybody, but I just cannot handle it. So ano yung effect? It will burn me and it will burn you. Alright, but ang sabi dito, you'll have the strength to carry out whatever God commands you, and the people in their settings will flourish also. So ito pong gagawin nating step is hindi lang po magiging easy para sa akin, magfo-flourish naman kayo. So this is not a wrong decision. This is actually a very beautiful decision because it will flourish everybody else down the line. Alright, so ganito po ang mangyayari. This is the new direction. We actually have set up a leaders forum. If you are not aware, we have chosen leaders to be a part of this leaders group sa Facebook. Okay, so ang magiging role ko po is to be on the lookout on that leaders group. Alright, if you are somebody, you are an elected leader by wisdom, alam naman po namin yan, then you will be appointed to be in that area. Alright, so doon lang po kami magfo-focus. Alright, so Facebook messages, cellphone texts, cellphone calls, hindi namin mapangako na masasagot namin. Alright, I cannot promise that I can always reply to it, no? You will probably receive a reply from me. Please direct this to www.support.mysupreme.biz. Alright, so we will be maximizing our support ticket. Isa rin po yan sa mga reason kung bakit tumagal yung pagsagot sa support ticket, which is I am one of the admins. Why? Because we're so focused on fixing things outside the support. Fixing our Facebook inboxes, fixing our text, answering calls, fixing so much, hindi na po namin natingnan yung tickets. And people starts to feel walang effect itong ticket na to. Sobrang delay, walang sagot. And that is exactly the reason why this happened, because we were overloaded in doing so many things na hindi namin napansin, na neglect na namin yung main purpose of the ticket, which is for follow-up, which is for concerns. Alright? As we go ahead, as we go on to that next 100,000 members which is about to come in the very, very near future, aayusin na po natin ngayon as early as now. 30,000 pa lang tayo. Actually, I think it's 32,000 ha. We will have to fix everything. So, effective immediately, all concerns will be directed to support ticket. Alright? Yung mga mahihirap, yung mga komplikado, yung mga hindi siguradong, hindi masagot ng mga ibang admins, yon ang i-receive ko. Alright? So, we're talking of the complicated things, no? I'm not talking of bakit wala pa rin yung commission ko. I am not talking of bakit hindi pa activated 2 days na. These are so easy concerns. I'm talking of the complicated things. Alright, yung away, yung gulo, yung nagkaagawan, etc. Those things na hindi kayang ma-handle, ha? But again, we are doing this to prepare ourselves for that greater harvest. Hindi po kami umiiwas sa trabaho. We're actually trying to maximize the resources that we have, the talent and the skills, based on the direction that God has set us to do. Alright, so effective immediately, sa lahat po na nagme-message sa akin sa Facebook, message sa text, I am sorry kung hindi ko marireplyan. Not unless an emergency, makikita ko yun. But again, we will have to pass by through leaders. Okay, the first thing that I will reply, if I will reply on you, is who is your leader? Because that leader should be informed of your concern. Alright, so hindi po kami para sagutin yung concern, tapos ito naman palang leader, sinasagot na rin. So, nadodoble po yung trabaho. let's say I'm fixing the concern of a member na leader si Lenton Montejo, na leader si Jeff, and Lenton is working on it, and Jeff Perez is working on it, and I am working on it. So tatlo po kaming tumatrabaho sa isang case, wasting so much resources and so much time. No? So I hope you really understand this direction. The direction really is to organize everything. So effective immediately, we will only be dealing with leaders. Okay, yung lahat po ng leaders na ginather namin doon sa Facebook, yung aming Facebook group, and these leaders will be dealing with our core leaders. Kasama po dyan si Jeffrey Perez, si Lenton Montejo, okay, Johnny Bodegas, Romel Gome Aguas, to name a few. I probably have about a handful or a dozen of leaders, and these 12 leaders I will be talking to. Alright, so I hope you understand, no? This is not about ranking, this is not about hindi ako pinapansin, this is about hindi ako sikat, walang umaasikaso sa akin, but this is all about organizing work and maximizing it to the full. Alright, and again, we read a scripture from the Bible, it's exactly the same, and they did what is right, and what happened? Everybody is happy, they all succeeded, they got there to the promised land. Ito po yung kila Moses. Okay, maraming salamat po. I hope everybody is in perfect condition. We are growing tremendously despite of so many things that we need to improve. So guys, isipin niyo yung what if we have almost perfected it, ano kaya ang effect? Okay, so maraming salamat po. Please keep it up, no? Be a leader. Don't wait for others to lead you. Be a leader. Okay, and connect to a leader. Okay, take care of your sheep. Feed them. Love them if you have. This is Supreme Wealth Alliance. Connecting people, creating wealth, uplifting lives. God bless everybody po. Thank you so much.